Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name. Sex is my game. Let's call the boys. Let's run a train. 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 Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt, not your curly hair. Please don't touch. First find a mate. Second find a place. Third find a bag. Had the whole face. Real name Grover. Said been over. Started knock. Then came the odors. Melt like mush. Should had a rush. Told her to stop and take a dish. Once she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I vamped out. Never cat back. Suck a nigga, dick a song. Suck a nigga, sick a song. Suck a nigga, sick a song. Suck a nigga, sick a song. My nigga did magic, said he hit the habit. I said just forget it, it's too crabby. Know a little freak in Hollywood. Sucks on dick, does it real good. 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 She'll give you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids, parents all spunky. Once had her down, backyard ground. Hit it from the back, enjoy the sound. Name undercover, always used to rubber. Till I got caught, fucking with a mother. She blamed it on me, we fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to flee. Call up the boys, went to a house, charged the whole place, blew the bitch out. Police busted in, where the niggas at, left just in time, never came back. Broke through the hood, wave it at the flicks, sniffing rocks, and smoking heats. Made another stop, police station, saw a few cops, drove by a Spader, license tag number. Nigga said he saw bogus all the time, never get caught.